Merry Christmas, Heavenly Family. Today I'm sharing my Christmas morning breakfast. Now let's get cooking.
Good morning, friends. Let's cook today. A heavenly breakfast the Christmas way. Follow along with me, step by step. We'll make a meal you won't forget. First we'll start with something sweet, a celestial tea that can't be beat. 4 cups of water, bring to a boil. Add cinnamon sticks, let the spices toil. 3 hibiscus bags, drop them in. Star anise and cloves, let's begin. Fresh ginger sliced and cranberries too. Simmer 5 minutes, we're almost through. Add honey, orange juice and zest. Vanilla extract makes it the best. Strain it through and set aside. This ruby red tea is Christmas pride. Together on Christmas morn, a breakfast feast where love is born. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Wendy's heavenly dishes made with love and time. Now grab a bowl, let's make it right. 1 pound of chicken, golden and light. 2 tablespoons of maple, so sweet. Sage and spices make it complete. Garlic powder, onion too. Smoked paprika, fennel through. A pinch of cayenne, salt and pepper blend. Mix it gently with your hands, my friend. Form me patties 1/2 inch thick. Chill for 10, that's the trick. Heat your skillet, oil inside. 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Get it together on Christmas morn, a breakfast feast where love is born. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Wendy's heavenly dishes made with love and touch. 2 cups of flour in your bowl. Sugar, baking powder, make it whole. Cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, spice. A pinch of salt makes everything nice. In another bowl, beat 2 eggs. Add bitter milk, no need to beg. Melted butter, vanilla extract. Orange zest, keep it intact. Pour it to dry, stir with care. Lumps are okay, I do declare. Fold in cranberries, white chocolate chips. Heat your griddle for breakfast bliss. 1/4 cup batter for each cake. Bubbles form, time to flip and bake. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Stack them high with Christmas pride. While the pancakes rest so warm, let's make eggs in perfect form. 8 eggs whisked with cream so light. A tablespoon of honey, golden bright. Now butter in your pan on low. 4 eggs in, nice and slow. Push from edges to the center. Soft and creamy, that's the adventure. Fold in chives and parsley green. The fluffiest eggs you've ever seen. Smoked paprika on the top. Salt and pepper, then we stop. Now plate it up with love and care. Pancake stacks syrup to share. Sausage golden, eggs so bright. Pour that tea, a ruby delight. Cooking together on Christmas morn, a breakfast feast where love is born. We took our time, no need to rush. Wendy's heavenly dishes made with love and touch. There you have it, friends of mine. A Christmas breakfast so divine. From Wendy's kitchen to your home.